The next drill that we're gonna do is the stepping inside. So one is the right side, then two is the left, the third one would be on the inside. So Dylan can come up front, put your right leg forward. So the end game is key. The key is to keep their hand busy up here. So I have to throw something, so he's gonna play defense as I enter. That's why you see all this footwork in the Kali is to trap the leg and to take him to the ground. 2, that's 2. 3, I step over. Stepping over is designed to trap this by sitting on it and then pushing that knee down. Okay, so we're not trying to spend a lot of time on the ground. Our goal is to basically 1, break, 2, break. If it doesn't break that way, it will break the other way. Okay, 3 here, and then use your body weight. So that's the 3 things that we're gonna work on the bag. Thank you, sir. In the back. So it's gonna be first the right leg, trap it. 2, left leg trap. Now 3, your left leg goes over. Yes, and then from here, I need you to hook it and sit. Yeah, sit on it. That's it, and back. One more time, same thing. Same 3, so it goes 1, 2, 3, go in and sit on it. Good, and back. One more time, ready? 1, 2, trap the other leg. 3, and sit, and back. So basically, here's how that works. Again, Dylan, hands up. So from here, keep him busy here. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. So that's when we have a partner, and back. So that's just the 3 basic entry, so we can practice that against a jab. Then we'll practice it against the cross. So right now we'll practice against a jab, so when he strike, I can hit here, I can hit here, here, back, and then take him down from there. I can go here, push it down, and then take care of that and go to the next person. So our goal is, the art is designed for multiple opponent. So it's always designed for somebody with a weapon. So our goal is to make him feel uncomfortable every position. So that way, regardless whether he has weapon or not, I'm still have the edge. Okay, so when he hit, I wanna make sure that I'm hitting. Also throughout this time, I also did some weapon search while I'm switching my stance. Now I can see. So he strike with that, I turn this. So the turning of the body is the key, your body mechanics. Now when he move here and I see that he's got more momentum going this way, I can take him that way and back. If he doesn't, I use my body weight. Like this, if I sit here, that leg will lock, pull this, that will be a break, go right to the next one. So this is why we do the alternating stances, the alternating legs, so we can be functional with the right, functional with the left.